On August 15, 1977, at Ohio Wesleyan University, what began as a routine day turned into a night that would spark a mystery lasting for decades. That evening, the Big Ear radio telescope, with its 30-meter wide reflector, detected an extraordinary radio signal at 10:16 p.m. This signal, after passing through the telescope, was processed by an IBM 1130 computer and automatically printed out. The control room was silent except for the sound of the printer. Amidst numerous printouts, this particular signal went unnoticed at first. However, it would later be recognized as something special, a possible message from an extraterrestrial source, originating from the constellation Sagittarius. Several days later, a technician sifting through the printouts discovered the signal. Astronomer Jerry Eman highlighted it with a red pen and scribbled "Wow" next to it, giving it its famous name, the Wow signal. But what made this signal so special? For nearly 47 years, scientists have debated whether it was a genuine message from an alien civilization or merely a random cosmic event. The story of the Wow signal can be traced back to a study conducted 18 years earlier. In 1959, physicists Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi from Cornell University published a paper hypothesizing that an extraterrestrial civilization might use the 1420 MHz frequency to communicate with us. This frequency corresponds to the natural emission of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, making it a universal reference point that any advanced civilization might recognize. Following this hypothesis, Ohio State University dedicated its Big Ear radio telescope to searching for extraterrestrial intelligence in 1973, launching one of the longest-running missions of its kind. The Big Ear telescope, located near Perkins Observatory on the Ohio Wesleyan University campus, scanned different parts of the sky, looking for intelligent signals from beyond Earth. On the night of August 15, 1977, the telescope received a signal so unique and powerful that it astonished Eman and his colleagues. The signal lasted for 72 seconds and was recorded as 665, a combination of numbers and letters indicating its intensity. Each character in the Wow signal represents a 12-second interval of signal detection. If no signal is detected, a value of 0 is recorded. A minimal signal is recorded as 1, with increasing values indicating higher intensity. Typically, Big Ear recorded signals with intensities ranging from 1 to 4. However, the Wow signal started at 6 and reached a peak value of 30 before fading away. This signal was detected solely on the 1420 MHz frequency band, the same frequency naturally emitted by hydrogen. Scientists believe this frequency would be ideal for interstellar communication, as it could be universally recognized by any technologically advanced civilization. Despite its significance, the Wow signal remains an enigma. The Big Ear telescope's design made it difficult to pinpoint the exact source of the signal. The telescope had 2 feed horns, scanning different parts of the sky due to Earth's rotation. The signal was detected by only 1 feed horn, but the precise location remains uncertain. The signal appeared to come from a specific area in the Sagittarius constellation, near the globular cluster M55 and Tau Sagittarii. However, pinpointing the exact coordinates has proven elusive. Multiple theories have been proposed regarding the origin of the Wow signal, but no consensus has been reached. Some scientists suggest the signal could have been an interstellar twinkle, similar to how stars twinkle, caused by a weak signal from a distant source. However, this theory was debunked as more sensitive telescopes failed to detect it again. Another hypothesis posited that the signal originated from Earth, reflected off space debris or an asteroid, and returned to the Big Ear. This too was ruled out, as the signal's intensity would have diminished significantly after reflection. Furthermore, the 1420 MHz frequency band is reserved for astronomical purposes, and ground-based transmitters are not permitted to broadcast on this frequency. This makes it highly unlikely that the WOW signal originated from Earth. Subsequent efforts to detect the signal using more advanced telescopes, including the Very Large Array and others, have all resulted in silence. The WOW signal has sparked ongoing debate and intrigue. Was it an accidental discovery of an alien civilization attempting to communicate with us, or a natural cosmic phenomenon? In 2017, Antonio Paris suggested that the signal could have been emitted by hydrogen clouds surrounding comets 266P/Christensen and 335P/Gibbs. However, this theory, like others, remains unconfirmed. After nearly 5 decades, the WOW signal remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Despite extensive efforts, no telescope has detected a similar signal since that fateful night in 1977. The scientific community continues to explore and analyze the possibilities, hoping to one day uncover the true origin of this enigmatic message from the cosmos.